Hi, this is Michael Rony Mullick, and you're watching the pre-market show. Today, let's see how the markets have ended in the US yesterday. So let us look at that, and obviously SGX Nifty. So SGX Nifty is showing 16,632, which is slightly above where we closed, around 20-30 points. But interestingly, the high of SGX Nifty is almost close to 16,700 last night, because the US markets ended in the green. But now SGX Nifty is lower because the US futures are slightly down because of bad results from Snapchat. So that is why the US futures are slightly down, is what we are seeing. So let us look at the US markets and how it ended. We have the S&P 500. It ended 0.99 percentage in the positive. So that is again ending at the highest month of the day. Good for the markets. Nasdaq again up 1.44 percentage, again ending at the highest point of the day even after it opened, and during the opening there was a severe profit booking happening, but it again managed to end in the green. Dow Jones again 0.5 percentage in the green. So all the US markets ended firmly in the green yesterday, and the US futures are slightly down, I told you, because of the Snapchat results are slightly negative, and that is why there are some profit bookings happening. And US futures are slightly down 0.44 percentage down, S&P 500, Nasdaq down 0.7 percentage, and the Dow Jones is down 0.15 percentage. So nothing significant, and even the Asian markets are mostly mixed, is what we are seeing. Hong Kong index is at 0.28 percentage up. It opened with a gap up, but it is continuing to come down, is what we are seeing. Coming to Nikkei, the Japanese index 0.24 percentage up, and the Japanese inflation data came out today morning 5 a.m. Indian Standard Time. It came out at 2.4 percentage, which is slightly lower than last month. It was 2.5 percentage last month, but this time it is 2.4 percentage. Still, it is higher than the threshold rate of the Japanese central bank, which is of 2 percentage. So 2.5 percentage, but the markets are not reacting at all to this news, because we are seeing it is not reacting that much to inflation data or interest rate hikes, and everything has been factored in already. It is that's what it seems. Chinese markets are 0.61 percentage up. You can see it opened with a gap down, but then it moved up significantly. Then it is coming down slightly. Maybe profit booking is setting in, and the Korean markets are down today by 0.46 percentage. So this is the current situation in the markets. Asian markets, three of them are in the green and one of them is in the red. So slightly mixed is what we can say, and we have already discussed about SGX Nifty. So crude oil prices is again it is 1 percentage up today, but still below $100. So nothing to worry about at all. It is a 97.52. Coming to other things, we have the currency. The DXY is at 106.8. So again, it is consolidating at that level. Same with USD INR 79.8. Nothing major happening over there as well. So that is the situation right now. Today is a Friday, so expect some profit bookings setting in to the markets, because from Monday to Friday there was a continuous rally of almost from the low was 59.20, and yesterday the market closed at 15,600. So again, almost 700 points rally. So people can look to book profits, and one more reason to book profits is we have the Reliance results coming in today after the market hours, and tomorrow Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, these two banks are coming up with their results. So all those effects will be felt on Monday. So markets can move in either ways, if all the results are good or all the results are bad, depending on that the Nifty, because these are the Nifty heavyweight stocks, so definitely look out for those. But if the results are mixed, then the markets will not move much, so that is also there. Talking about Reliance, I told you the results are today. So yesterday, the day before yesterday, it shot up almost 4 percentage because of the government stopping the government lifting the export duty it had imposed on the windfall gains, and that is why it shot up. But there was an immediate profit booking yesterday. Also there was a profit booking, but towards the end there was some recovery. You can see the 15-minute chart, and you can see that there was a recovery towards the end. So definitely it will be interesting to see if the Reliance ends in the green today, because that would be setting it for a slightly bullish outlook. So Reliance Industry result, definitely watch out for that. Then we have the Kotak Bank and ICICI Bank. Kotak Bank is not doing that well. It took resistance at 200-day moving average, and it is coming down, is what we are seeing. So Kotak Bank results are going to be there, and also ICICI Bank. So let me put ICICI Bank over here, and yes, ICICI Bank is trading in the green is what we are seeing, and it is again at an important level, and it is breaking out from those levels. It has a resistance around 800 rupees. So let us see how Kotak Bank, the ICICI Bank reacts after its results. So everything will be seen on Monday. So for now, I think let us discuss the levels of Nifty, and then I think that will be all. So 60,605 is where it ended. So if the markets manage to break 16,630, because that is again we have talked about multiple times that will be our resistance, and yesterday it took resistance exactly at that level. So if that is broken, then we can expect the markets to trade around 16,680 is what we can expect, and again 16,800 is the upper range for Nifty. And on the downside, definitely let us open up the 15-minute chart and see a bit better. So if this low is broken, that is around 16,490. If that is broken, we can expect the markets to fall towards 16,400, and also there's a gap to be filled at 16,350. But that much fall is not likely that much. But because the VIX is down, we're not expecting huge intraday movements. The VIX is at 16, so nothing major is expected in the markets. Other than that, coming to Bank Nifty, we have again 36,400 will act as an important level of resistance, because that is where the 200-day moving average is in case of Bank Nifty. Let me zoom out a bit. You can see this is that 200-day moving average line, and you can see it is at 36,400 is what we are seeing. So that is where the markets can react. So take a resistance and come down, so we have to watch out for that as well. And on the downside, let us see the downside for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty definitely the 36,000 should hold as a strong level, because it's a round figure support, and then the low of 35,700 and also 35,850, 880, those are the levels you should be watching out for in Bank Nifty. So with that, I think we are done with the levels for today, and hopefully I've told you it's a Friday, and also FIIs have turned into net buyers, so they are taking the markets higher and higher. So let us see how long they continue their buying streak. So with that, I'll end the pre-market report here, and again we will return for the post-market report, where we will discuss the Reliance results and everything else that has happened in the markets. So until then, have a good day, and thank you for watching.